Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Olympiad exams. First, thoroughly understand the exam pattern and syllabus. This is your roadmap. Next, build a strong foundation in your core subjects, ensuring you grasp every fundamental concept. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to practicing problem solving, as consistent effort is key to mastering complex questions. This foundational work will set you up for success in your Olympiad journey. To prepare effectively, prioritize conceptual clarity over simply memorizing facts. Truly understanding the why behind each concept will help you tackle diverse problems. Dedicate at least 2 hours each week to solving previous year's question papers. This familiarizes you with question types and time constraints. After reviewing your attempts, identify your weak areas and spend an additional 30 minutes daily strengthening those specific topics. This targeted approach maximizes your learning efficiency. Optimizing your preparation involves creating a consistent study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Make sure to utilize recommended textbooks and reputable online resources, which often provide alternative explanations and practice problems. Aim to take at least one full-length mock test every 2 weeks under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps improve your speed and accuracy. Consistent practice with these tools will significantly boost your performance. Maintaining focus and a positive attitude throughout your preparation is crucial for long-term success. Regularly revise all important concepts, perhaps dedicating 15 minutes each day to quick reviews of key formulas and theories. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from mentors or teachers. Their insights can provide valuable clarity and direction. Remember, consistent effort, a clear mind, and strategic review are your best allies in achieving your Olympiad goals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.